Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Venmo with Uber Eats driver. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to be paid via Venmo instead of their weekly direct deposits into their checking account. So how do you actually connect the two together? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what you're going to do first is that you're going to click on the hamburger icon on the upper left-hand corner, and then click on account, and then next you're going to click on payment. Now under payment we have some blurred out information here, but you're going to click on Venmo in order to receive your payout once a week without paying a fee. So right here it's just going to let you know that by adding Venmo it's going to delete your bank account, and with Venmo you will still be able to receive your weekly payouts, but you can't cash out on demand. So ensure that this is something that you do want to do. Now with the other payment methods such as debit card or PayPal account, you can transfer money instantly, but it is going to be a $1.25 fee. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect Venmo with your Uber Eats driver account. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next